Look, check this out. Every last one of these fuckers know what the fuck I am. Big Kiefer, the Ape Shit Promo, the Jungle, and I got Mr. Core right here. You know what I'm saying? With the best content. You know? See, I'm in trouble again. See, Core, you can get me fucked up, man. Hey, I got to fuck it up, bro. Look,
we can't race. If y'all ain't gonna race nobody, we gonna make it fun for y'all. Huh?
How much y'all in for? 2 in the break.
2 in the break. That's a fucking motor car, brought on. That truck is fast as hell, man. We don't see that truck running.
How about we see that y'all doing, let y'all leave?
You go back to after.
No, let's figure something out.
We go back to after. Bruh, that car is slow as shit.
Bruh, how about we sit at that door and let them go? How about we sit at that door and let them go?
It ain't no race car.
It got at least, we gotta sit out there. We gotta sit out there. Oh, look, we gotta sit out there.
We gotta sit out there. Look,
we gotta sit out there.
Hard, bro.
No, it's not the full one, bro.
I don't know. Let me think about that.
What I asked for, bro. You go look at it, car.
I'm gonna go look at it.
So we can walk with each other.
2 in the break.
Right here, man.
I've been saying it, motherfucker.
You ain't even seen that car. That car ain't even been racing, man.
Hey, I got my eye on this motherfucker.
Listen, bro, that car ain't even been racing.
Bro, I got my eye on this motherfucker.
Who? He did? That shit slow as hell.
That is shootout killer right now. It's shootout killer.
The hell I'm gonna get in the race? What the hell you mean? It's dumb as hell.
That ain't the shootout killer.
That ain't the shootout killer.
That's the shootout killer right there.
The shootout killer down there.
That's the wrong car.
The shootout killer down there. The shootout killer. Yeah.
Go
in the go. The red car. Yeah.
It's a stock car. We'll try y'all.
Oh God, we'll try y'all.
4 in the go.
We can't even see that photo.
Huh?
We can't even see 4.
4 cars ain't nothing.
Man, y'all done took the brake lights and losing all that kind of shit.
I know you will. This stock car.
I seen that red motherfucker.
Oh my God. Mark, that car so hell, man. If they get the car 2 in the break, we'll try it. That's the only way. We gotta stay out there.
I put it like this: no cam, star, boat on car against y'all shit. 2 in the break, bro. That's even. Y'all was gonna give Gas House that, and Gas House a high ram cam 6 G. 2 in the break.
Just to be honest.
And y'all, look, that's true. All y'all the same in our eyes. But that cam car will beat the fuck out that car. He will though. We lost to a cam car last night.
On any given night, it can go either way. It cold like that, my truck lives go in your lane, bro.
Get him dead again.
How about 2 out of light? Just 2 out of light.
Hell no. We not going off the light with y'all.
I'm not gonna lie. Can't sit there.
Can't do that one.
Yeah, they said they gonna break the car.
So they can't get no break.
Y'all gotta
roll with 1,000 feet.
We can go 1,000. We might send them out there.
Ain't a roll down here go past that 660. Hell no.
How about we take 2 in the break at Boat Rock?
We'll really run over here. We'll really run over here.
You ain't even gotta go to second gear with that. 2 in the break, you already at the 330.
You came around and way faster.
You want to do 1 in the break?
With what?
He did one in the break.
With what?
1 in the break.
1 in the break.
White car. 1 in the break. I just talked to them.
And we on hard now.
1 in the break. Oh no. Don't put that out there. No, he ain't gonna.
Just 1 in the break.
Y'all on tram brake, 2-step and shit?
No, foot brake. Foot brake.
Got a converter.
No 2-step, no tram
It's on
brake.
motor.
On motor. Yeah, Papa.
We ain't gonna find that shit. We ain't that kind of mechanic. We just, yeah.
Everybody know we run on
I
motor.
put like this. I can tell you this right now. If they spray, they pay. Point blank.
That's what y'all.
1 in the break. Ken. 1 in the go.
We can't sit there, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. We can't sit there.
Y'all want to go? We ain't doing that. If we do it, we ain't doing a lot. We ain't doing it.
Well, 1,000. You wanna do it just 1,000?
Shit.
Everything.
Oh yeah, he can
Yeah, he did come
I ain't
around.
gonna lie. This
Yeah.
stupid. Ain't gonna lie.
He did come around. That's what we saying, bro.
You got everything in racing and Ant got them.
Stop.
You believe that shit?
That's all right.
He going overdrive.
He did what he said. That's all I said. That though.
What?
I said car ain't shift out.
My shit wanna go to overdrive.
That ain't our fault, bro. His shit wasn't shifting out.
Alright, y'all.
He ain't got before much. He ain't got before much.
2 to go for 1,000.
Yeah, which one?
Then y'all sitting outside the prep. Yes, we is. We gonna be out the prep. We gonna be out the prep, bro. They're really stupid too, cause we gonna be sitting out the prep.
We'll try the one, but that's
2 to
Which
go
car?
for that. D car. 2 to go. That shit is too. Like,
What you back to the V?
Only reason why I'm siding with them, cause they did give Ant everything in racing.
But Ant said that transmission was fucked up.
that bitch fucked up in that bitch too.
Huh?
2 to go, bro. Then we gotta go put the tires on.
Would y'all try him for 500 and gamble?
Just cause y'all done came out here and we just wanna get on.
No, we'll do it. We'll do 1,000. That ain't no problem. 1,000 cool, but we'll take the 2 to go.
Man, y'all done walked away from
Okay,
it.
so give her everything in racing. That you got 1 of the 2.
Wait,
2 in the go.
break or everything. That don't add up. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Everything.
Hey, I ain't the lock-in man tonight, so I can't. Hey, I ain't the lock-in man tonight. I can let y'all know.
Stay on the hard time. You get everything in race.
Oh,
Hey, Twin, do me a favor. Do me a favor. I ain't even gonna say nothing smart tonight.
Nah, but
Yeah, nah, that ain't make sense.
nah, do it.
Everything in race.
Boy, bro, we'll get him 1 in the break, bro. If that 2 in the break, god damn.
Give 1 to 1 instead
Hey, why y'all don't do this? You flip a quarter
Back time
on.
to clip.
Y'all want 2 in the break. He want 1 in the break. Y'all flip a quarter on.
Okay, so we do 1 in the break 500.
No, we're not racing for 500.
Look, that's what I'm saying. Just flip a quarter on it.
Well, 1 in break and 2 in the break.
Yeah, if it shit, flip a quarter on it. Y'all lock the money and flip.
But
We
your
do that
brother-
shit all the
your
time.
brother-
If it's still
your
fall on
brother-
2 in the
your
break,
brother
we
said
ain't
go
satisfied with
down
it.
the
So we need to come to
backside
an agreement.
Nah, shit. Nah, hey, you lock in the money, you flip the quarter as a race.
Y'all want to y'all take the back time to clip?
Fuck no, we're not going out no light with you.
Yeah, we ain't going on the light.
That shit dead. We gotta leave first.
What if he get on foot break? No train break.
No, I'm not going out like that.
Okay, we'll do that with 1 in the break.
One in the break. One in the break.
Yeah,
One in the break. One break.
We gotta get that break. We gotta get that break away.
Man,
We
my
got a
word.
trail.
Okay.
We got to.
Foot break in.
Oh no, look. Hey, bro. 1 in the break,
Randy ain't
foot break.
saying 1 in the break, full break.
Foot break.
So wrong with his left leg.
Fuck it, let's do it. Fuck it.
Alright, 1,000 side.
1,000 and better.
Alright,
1,000 and
I'll
better.
get your money.
1,000 and better. 1,000 and better.
1,000 or better. So that you'll match whatever they come up with.
Hell no, those are hot rollers.
Alright, then they match whatever you come up with. Alright, they say that 1,000. Alright, say no more. Rollo is gonna be on the foot brake. He's not gonna use the train brake. And he's gonna give Slick Boy D 1 car in the move to the 8th mile.
And they on foot break.
And they on foot brake. On motor. Motor to motor. So
In the power alley.
I'm gonna tell you right now, Rollo gonna have to hold that. His brother gonna have to hold that bit. Hold it, cause if you wiggle a little bit going out that road, the 6 gen just gonna keep going. Oh man, you already know it, the big 8 himself, Caesar. What's Caesar's name? I think his name Kiefer. Yeah. I don't have a designated man. I don't. So
Who betting on that bottom end there?
Thumbs up. Let's keep it. Go over there. What you on there? AG.
Somebody has
Rollo,
money betting on this.
y'all flashing lights, so y'all gonna have somebody
We'll get
standing
here.
front.
I'm gonna move out of the way.
Oh, you gonna move out of the way?
Yeah, I'm gonna move out of the way.
He moving out. He gonna stand in front of the truck.
We move out of the way, we ready.
So you give a thumbs up? I'm doing thumbs up. We doing thumbs up? Okay.
You getting bumped there first.
We doing lights, bro.
Alright. You getting bumped there first, he get bumped the last. When his person move out the way, I'm gonna take my
We got our
step.
fin line person.
There's a lot
You
of
got
people
the
talking for the driver, but shit, they gonna
Alright,
have.
cool. Hey Rollo, who you got as your finish line person?
We finna figure it out.
Figure it out. Alright.
Got the driver right there.
Yeah,
I like him.
Man, funny.
I like him. I like him. So he gonna come with some bullshit.
y'all ready?
All right.
What's your prediction, man?
Shit, we just gambling,
You just gambling.
doing some stupid shit.
What's your team name?
Zone 6.
Zone 6. Okay.
Yeah, we be right.